kindergarten. Welcome to Word Games. Today we're going to practice listening for the middle sound in words. Today I have a helper friend. This is my firefighter. And he's going to help me repeat the words and find the middle sound. Will you follow along with us? Great. Okay. Here we go. First word is dot. Say dot. Dot. The middle sound I hear is ah. Let's try that again. Dot, dot, ah. Beg, beg, eh. Try it again. Beg, beg, eh. Great job. Mud, mud, lab, lab, ah. Ah is the middle sound. Next, our last word is win, win. The sound you hear in the middle is in. Let's try it again. When, win, eh. Win, win, eh. Great job. Follow along again and listen to the video closely to hear those middle sounds, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.